We added this little mini privacy fence around our well in the backyard, and this was also from Beaver, but we wanted to cozy it up a little bit. So Beaver asked if we would take a look at some artificial grass wall panels, and we jumped on it because we wanted to put some around this fence right here. So thanks to Beaver for partnering with us and sending this over. But they look very realistic, a lot more realistic than we even expected. The mix of green shades make them feel like real greenery instead of just the flat plastic. We decided to put one up right here, and it was honestly super simple. The panels themselves come with zip ties, so you can just hold it right in place with that without having to worry about any extra tools or anything that you need. It comes with the zip ties that go right with it. It went on very quick, and you can cut or adjust it if you need to fit a certain area, so you can cut these panels to fit the length that you need. They do come in various sizes. But once it was all tied down, it instantly changed the vibe of this space. It added this nice bit of privacy and just a little bit of coziness back here where we wanted it. It just really finished it off. It's definitely one of those easy projects that makes a big difference without a ton of effort. We absolutely love it. We hope you love it too, and I hope this video helps.